Hello everybody, Krazeh edits here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to upload a video in Cinema 4D to the actual, Cinema 4D. There isn't like a button where you just go render video and you just renders automatically to the it doesn't automatically render to this thing if you go render as. What you gotta have to do is you gotta make something. Let's just say let's make one of these little cubes. Alright, just go up here and click that. Just one little small click, or if you hold it, you got a extra box seeing all these other shapes. Sorry. And sorry guys if you are American / any other country. Sorry for the accent because I'm Australian. And yeah, first thing you're gonna do is you're gonna enlarge this. Just keep enlarging it. So you're gonna make a square. Do you guys sort of get an idea right now? Are you guys getting any idea? Because when I first learnt this like sort of system on how to render stuff, I'm like, what the fuck? You know what I mean? Because this is pretty weird. Usually it's way different in in how other programs do it, but this one's obviously different, so different is better, I guess. But this way it just feels much more complicated, you could say. I don't like this way, but but it's also what it does basically. It allows you to move around the screen and add two on one. It adds like two screens because it's a square. What do I do? Let's just go into my normal desktop now, and I got a nuke cinematic here. What I have to do is I just go to this. Sorry guys, I'm just gonna take this away. Okay, then you drag it in there and you press yes. 1 sec, it's loading. Now this is the video. What you gotta do, you gotta click on that, drag it to here, and I think you should be able to get your video on here. See, look, there you go, and you got all these frames that change things. So yeah, I'm not really sure how to render it properly, but when I get back to you, this will be in 2 episodes. But once I get back to you on how to render properly, I'll make a little video of that. Okay, now what you gotta do is, if you want to add some text in there, go to Mo Text. Let's bring this forward a little, and just rotate it. And how you rotate is you click this button right up here. It helps so much. And this is a nuke cinematic, so it has like a Modern Warfare 2 nuke going. And I'm going to go, let's just write Krazeh Presents. By the way, TNA right now is actually hacked, but we should be able to get the password back soon, because we got this guy as also, he's good at hacking as well, and he knows how to get stuff back. So by an IP or something, I'm not sure, but he just does. Okay, what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go crazy, and I know you guys think I forgot the word presents, but no, I haven't, because these words are gonna be different because they're gonna be different size. Now you gotta double click there, or I press file and go new material, and you got this sort of thing. You gotta customize it with the texture you want. I'm not really good at these textures. Maybe like a wood texture. I'm not sure. I don't think wood would do well. I'll just try it and see what it looks like. Okay, now you just click this button to render it, like render the screen quickly. Nah, doesn't look it sort of typey, if you know what I mean. I'm gonna delete this now. Click on it, press the delete button on your keyboard if you have one. Because if you don't, then if you make a mistake, you're doomed. Anyway, I'm gonna try to give a little things with this texture, like pixel, maybe pixel. I'm not sure how is this meant to be done. I'm not good with these texture things. Oops. Okay, let's go texture. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna go delete this one again. Sorry guys, I'm not really good with making the textures. I'm trying to make like a complicated one that also looks good. So we'll go sketch and make it a little art. art type or something like that. And shadows, I think, backfire. Yeah, and put it black a little. Now let's see, let's render. Okay, it looks like this, but if I remember correctly, it should be less brighter in the thing. Should be less brighter in the actual video. Okay, we got Krazeh, and now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go MoGraph again. Go MoText, and we're gonna add another thing saying presents. Okay. For all you new people to doing this, I'm not really the greatest tutorial person. What I mean is, I'm not really good at this program myself, you could say. I don't know how to make it move and all this stuff. I just know how to add text. So this is a little guide for extra beginners who just downloaded the program and or something like that and don't know how to do this stuff. Because I understand when I first done it, I'm like, what the? That is a weird ass way to render something. Okay, now we're gonna write presents, and I'm thinking put this in like a red texture. Okay, Krazeh. So yeah, and we got presents, and I'm gonna just gonna make a new texture here, and I'm going to make that a little bit red, and just make these darker. And we've got red, I guess, but I just wanna, maybe should I make it a little bit darker? I reckon I should make it a little bit darker. Maybe just use this bit. If I do that dark, it goes like really dark. Okay, I think that's a decent sort of way. No text now. Let's just render this. Oh, that looks sweet. Okay, now let's go to the text. Oh no, sorry. And we've got these two options here saying depth, which can determine the depth of this thing, and subdivision. I'm not sure what that does, but I'm not 100% actually, but I'm thinking it has like more of these little things like that. See how it goes up a little? Okay, now let's render this. Okay, that looks pretty sweet. And what I should do is I'm not sure right now. What I'm gonna do is I might just I think I'm all done for this stuff, but now you got all these little frames. Okay, but my basic knowledge, if I remember when I searched up some stuff, how to render it is you click this button for the render options, full render, output, and you put that in like 1600 pixels, I hope, and you gotta put this one into 750, I hope. I'm hoping I get this right. Okay, I'm just gonna get rid of that, and I'm just gonna do this. Okay, let's see what this looks like. No, just quickly put that. Okay, sweet. I wonder how much actually. You know what, I'm gonna click this big thing. I'm gonna enlarge it. Okay, they're done. And now just gonna zoom in a little, and let's get back to our render settings. I think, yeah, and it should be out in the frame. Oh, it should be up to -10, I remember. Okay, so you gotta have it to 10 frames before the video actually ends, I believe. And then we gotta go AVI movie, and I wanna save a file. Which file should we save it as? I'm gonna put it on my desktop, because I keep everything that's precious there. Oh, it doesn't have a name. What about intro, something like that? And multi-pass, yeah, it looks pretty good. Looks pretty sweet. Okay, now let's click this button. Okay, now I think I might have an idea what's going wrong. Okay, See, I'm not really good at this render stuff, but yeah. I only get managed skin image usually, but anyway guys. Either way, I'll work it out next time and I'll give you a full tutorial of this. And anyway, peace out. This has been Krazeh Edits, and thanks for watching my video, and if you're kind enough, please subscribe, like, favorite it or something, recommend it. I'm asking a lot of things, but yeah, it would be very appreciated. And bye.